Wait, like...
Whitney's like, oh.
Hi, welcome to FreshFinds, where we help you find products that are perfect for your brand. I'm Frankie and this is Whitney. What do you have for us today, Whitney?
Today I have the Koozie Folding Wagon. Super cool item, very versatile. I'm gonna show it here quick, and then I'm gonna set her down. The nice thing about this wagon is that you can take it really anywhere with you.
Sure.
You can take it to soccer games, baseball games, the pool, the beach. It's foldable, it's lightweight. You can fit 3 kids in it, 2 kids in it. You can fit all of your beach toys in it. Really nice to have, especially when you're traveling and you need something to carry your stuff from your car, or even just to tote the kids around, you know, the park,
Sure.
the fairs, the fairground. Really nice thing about it though is it has some cup holders.
Okay.
It also has this kind of hanging bag off of it that you can put some stuff in, like your cell phones, your keys. That way you don't have to like bring your purse or anything with you. So super nice. Yeah.
With farmers market season starting, I can
Yes.
see it now. That'd be perfect to just tote around all your produce. And our events people actually use these all the time.
One usage for me is I could take it around my yard when I'm doing all my planting.
yeah.
It has a really clean surface, so it's really easy to wipe off and clean, which is nice as well. Because especially if you have kids with sticky fingers, you know, it really cleans up nice. It does come in 3 colors,
Okay.
and it offers a 1-color imprint on it. And another fun thing is if you needed a kind of higher end gift in a fast turnaround, it's offered in our 24-hour rush program. So really nice item.
I mean, we're here to help in a pinch if you need it quickly.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I have a pickleball set today. So,
Fun.
pickleball I feel like has been kind of the trending thing in the last year or two, actually maybe since COVID. Everyone loves pickleball. There are indoor pickleball courts now, outdoor pickleball courts. I mean, really, wherever you want to go. But the nice thing about this is the imprint space is 5 by 5 square on
Wow,
here,
that's
so it's
nice.
huge. Yeah, you can get a lot of detail with that. And who doesn't love pickleball?
I really like that it has the mesh bag with it because it's easy to store. And you can just throw it in your backpack, you can throw it in your car. You don't have to worry about losing any of the pieces with it. In that big imprint area, that's a great way to promote your business or your brand.
Absolutely.
Great summer giveaway.
Yeah, I totally agree. It comes with the 2 balls as well, which is nice. That's a great start for when you're trying to get into a new sport or hobby.
I think it would be a great giveaway for schools.
Oh, totally.
Yeah, for gym class, give them away, or even have them in the gym class with the school logo on them, and these are what they use in the school.
Yeah.
So very nice.
Yeah, super fun idea.
Awesome.
Well, that's all we've got today.
We also wanted to remind you about our sample program. So any of the items that you see here on Fresh Finds or even on our website, we do offer free samples for you to try before ordering. So definitely give our customer service representatives a call and request any of those samples so that you can try it out before you actually place that order.
Tune in next time for more Fresh Finds.